Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 420.
Hardin, Hope, Saline, and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 420 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties.
Severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 420 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Hope, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden, Livingston, Lyon, and Trigg. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Callaway County is canceled. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Illinois, South Central Franklin County in South Central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Johnston City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Heron, Carterville, Johnston City, Craneville, Energy, Pittsburgh, Stone Fort, Freeman Spurs, Woodyish, Williamson County Regional Airport, Colt, and Spillertown. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 49 and 62. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Williamson. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Let's go!
Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Trigg County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wrangler's Campground, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This includes Turkey Bay, Golden Pond Visitor Center, Wrangler's Campground, land between the lakes area and Linton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Trigg, Kentucky.
Not even 10 seconds after the one WXM49. Oh my god.